Didn't even get to bronze.
Hey guys, what's up? Back with a new vlog. This time we're gonna have a lot of adventure, guys. We're going to Coorg in the night time. Right now, what's the time, Pratik? Right now? Huh? Okay, we are leaving Bangalore at 12 o'clock, guys. So we're gonna reach Coorg tomorrow early morning. And this is my bike, all set for Coorg. This is our luggage, as you can see. Even Pratik's wearing luggage. Okay guys, then see you in some time. So guys, we have put a pit stop at Sahil's house. He's our friend actually, so we had come to meet him. He wanted to see us off before we leave. So here we are guys with my bike on Sahil's apartment, which is in Bell Road. Now we are going to leave to Coorg guys from here directly. See you guys. Bye. So guys, here we are back again. We had left Coorg at morning and now we have reached the beautiful Iruppu falls, and there's a kind of bridge over here. I want to show you guys. This is the bridge, guys. This is the bridge here in Iruppu falls. Beautiful view. Whoa. So much peaceful here, guys. So here the journey of 120 steps of Iruppu starts. Wow! ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ